How to customize Google Chrome themes. Okay, there is a server, there is a few method you can follow, and you can change your Google Chrome themes, or you can customize your Google Chrome homepage, or you can say screen. So I will show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Let's me go on my Chrome browser. So first you have to check whether your Google Chrome up to date or not. So how can check it? Just open your Chrome browser, just click on this right upper corner three dot option, go to the help and go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see if your Chrome up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start to update automatically. After update, just restart your Chrome browser. So now the first method is first step is done. The second step you have to method. Okay, this is the first steps. Now I'm going to show you the second one. Second one, you can change your themes from here, customize Chrome, and here you can see the background and color themes. Okay, this is only for color for themes. Okay, you can change the color from here. You can make color. This is outdated, border color, or you can say toolbar color. Here you can make default also, and this is background. Okay, you can change the background of Chrome. Okay, you can refresh daily. There is a lots of background here. You can see background has been changed. So I don't want to keep the background, I should make it default. Okay, so you can change like this, or you can also change the themes. All over themes means all Chrome themes. I can change it. Go to the three dot option, go to the settings, and here go to the appearance, and here you can see the themes option. Just click on it, and here you can see the all trending themes for Google Chrome. You can see there is a lots of Chrome themes here. You can use any one, or if you want to search, you can view all from here. It will be view. Okay, so just select any you want and just add to Chrome. It will be add, and Chrome will be look like this. Just add from here. Okay, if you want to reset as a default, come to the reset and uh, go to the Chrome setting. Okay, okay, once you apply the themes, it will be look like this. Okay, and if you want to reset, so come again here, appearance, and you can reset as a default. It will be reset, and you can also reset the font size, custom font size, zoom page, anything you can make it. You can also show the home button like this, and bookmark bar. This is my bookmark bar. You can disable or enable it. Okay, so that is how you can change the themes on Chrome. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.